Most meteorites that land on Earth after their fiery journey through our atmosphere are classified as stony meteorites. These are rocks primarily made of silicate minerals, exhibiting a composition much like the familiar rocks we find on our own planet. They offer a tangible connection to the cosmos. Within the realm of stony meteorites, they're divided into two main groups, each with a distinct story to tell. First, we have the chondrites, which are characterized by the presence of ancient, round mineral grains called chondrules. These tiny spheres hold secrets from the solar system's infancy. Then, there are the achondrites, which lack these chondrules, representing a different stage in the evolution of planetary materials. Chondrites are often referred to as cosmic time capsules, preserving a record of the early solar system's composition. They formed from the earliest dust and gas that swirled around our young sun, a primordial soup of elements. This makes them some of the oldest solid materials we can touch, offering a direct link to the very beginnings of our planetary system. Achondrites, on the other hand, come from larger bodies that have undergone significant changes. These parent bodies could be asteroids, or even fragments ejected from the surfaces of Mars and the Moon. These larger bodies have melted and separated into distinct layers, much like the Earth with its core, mantle, and crust. Incredibly, some meteorites found on Earth are actual pieces of Mars or the Moon, offering invaluable insights into these distant worlds. These fragments were blasted off their home planets by ancient impacts from asteroids or other celestial objects. While stony meteorites may sometimes look plain and unassuming to the untrained eye, their true value lies within. They are priceless to science, holding clues to the formation and evolution of our solar system. By studying chondrites, we can unlock secrets about the solar system's earliest beginnings and the conditions that prevailed. And chondrites provide a window into the processes that shape and differentiate planets over billions of years. They're far more than just ordinary rocks picked up from the ground. They're messengers from the distant past, cosmic travelers that have journeyed across vast stretches of space and time.